So I would first of all like to appreciate you all for what you have done, because it is not about the making of about what is the result, but the beauty of it is what you have learned from the process. Okay, the process of learning is not about making a lot of things from waste. It is about teamwork, as you all have realized, and it is also about the process of learning where you have used English as your language. Now what happens is, when you are asked to speak a topic in class, you prepare, then you come forward, you speak half of it, half you forget, right? And many times you also don't know what you're speaking. Right? Kuch to bol ke, you do it to complete the task. But here, you have to speak in English and you have to think in English. So that is the beauty of it, when we have to speak out of compulsion and then we have to speak out of choice. So definitely this experience is going to help you further to think in English and to come out with language spontaneously, not just as a matter of force. So English should not come as a force, it should come out as a spontaneous, means automatically it should come from your brain to the tip of your tongue. Because if you don't speak, you know that it will go wrong. If you don't give the proper direction, you know, kuch to locha wo karenge, right? And you must have experienced such situation where you didn't know what to tell. And because you didn't know what to tell, that concept went wrong. Right? So these kind of experiences, now you must have also faced some of your team members going and saying, oh, they have done like this, now let us also do like this, right? Huh? Don't worry, ours is better than theirs, right? And some of the team members who are leaders, they try to find, oh, don't worry, whatever we do will be the best. Don't compare, right? So we have all kinds of different personalities in our life. And I believe that today you also learned how to tolerate each other. बाहर तो गाली देते, right? लेकिन यहाँ तो गाली नहीं दे सकते. We have to tolerate different personalities because that is a very essential character trait that we all need to have, and we must promote it as well. How to coordinate with people whom we don't know very well. Understand? So that means you have built your personalities very well today. And good, very nice. Please give a big hand for yourselves. It is very appreciable what you have done in very less time. Yeah, I am very sure that today you are going to dream how my monster would have been better.